when you have like for me, a job, unless you have like some kind of CEO job or some kind of super high exec job, you're limited. Like you have a ceiling and your life is going to be dictated by whatever you do every day, right? So I'm not saying it's bad in a way, because if you're passionate about what you do and you have a job, so you're an employee and do whatever you love, just do that. What's the problem? You know, you have one life, just be happy in it. If it's doing this, just do that. You know what I'm saying? But if you want more, or you're not satisfied with what you have, or you want to do some other stuff and you know, all that stuff, or you want change and all that, then you have to create it for yourself. Because I mean, that's my belief, is like nobody's gonna hand it to you. It's not the lottery, right? It was only when I moved to the US, that's when it all kicked in. So then I discovered TWF, and it was so different than all the other videos you can see, because they felt so genuine. You know what I'm saying? We're probably close to, plus inventory and stuff, probably close to like $500,000 in like 3 years. You need a really good job to get that paycheck, you know? And there is no way on earth I can think about this 10 years ago, even 5. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's no way, because I didn't know what I didn't know again. So like, it opens so many doors and it opens so many potential. Everything that I didn't know was introduced by I don't want to say the course, but I mean the course, yes, introduced a lot of concepts, but the team. And you know, I discovered so much stuff after taking that course, and my life changed in so many ways because of that starting point. And that course was definitely the starting point of a new life. I mean, it's crazy to say it that way, and I know it sounds like weird, but this is just what it is. Like, my life was like, go to work, 9 to 5, and that's it. And I didn't really, you know, envision any of this. And now, like, I'm just thinking, okay, I want to build like $100 million company. And when you say that out loud, you're like, you're crazy. I mean, you know, but no, I know it's achievable. I know it's doable, and that's great, because like, it's a whole new life that opened up, you know. So then it gave me the freedom, and then to work from home and be home. And then I wanted to spend time with Megan. I wanted to spend time with my dogs and just enjoy. I like being home. I like it. So that's the thing that's great with this story. It's not just a story, it's my story. And at the end, you got $1 million business. You know what I'm saying? And it's all automated, and you get trust, and potentially we can sell it, you know what I'm saying? So it's just, the potential is just huge, because just one makes such a difference. You can show it to them too.
Yeah.
I love you, Dan. I love you, Dylan. I love you, Eric.